Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to evaluate logarithms by finding their exact values without using a calculator. We will use the definition of a logarithm to transform these expressions into something solvable. First, let us define what a logarithm is. A logarithm is essentially the inverse of an exponent. The formula you see on screen is the key. Log base b of x equals y, if and only if b to the power of y equals x. This allows us to switch between logarithmic form and exponential form. A helpful way to remember this conversion is the loop trick. Start at the base, go across the equals sign to the answer, and loop back to the argument inside the log. For example, with log base 2 of 8 equals 3, we say 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8. Let's try a simple problem. Evaluate log base 2 of 16. First, set the expression equal to x. Next, rewrite it in exponential form, 2 to the power of x equals 16. Now, simply ask yourself, 2 to what power gives 16? Since 2 to the fourth power is 16, x equals 4. Here is another example. Evaluate log base 3 of 81. Set it equal to x, which means 3 to the power of x equals 81. If we list the powers of 3, we find that 3 to the fourth power is 81. Therefore, our answer is 4. What if we have a fraction? Consider log base 5 of 1 over 25. Set it to x. We know that 25 is 5 squared. Since the 25 is in the denominator, this represents a negative exponent. So, 1 over 5 squared is 5 to the negative 2. Therefore, x is negative 2. Sometimes you will encounter roots. Evaluate log base 36 of 6. Rewriting this, we get 36 to the power of x equals 6. We know that the square root of 36 is 6. In algebra, a square root is the same as an exponent of 1/2. So, x equals 1/2. There are two special properties that save time. First, the identity property, log base b of b is always 1 because any number to the first power is itself. Second, the zero property, log base b of 1 is always 0 because any base raised to the 0 power equals 1. You will often see logarithms written without a visible base. If you see just log, it is the common log with a base of 10. If you see ln, that is the natural log with a base of e, the rules for evaluating them remain exactly the same. To summarize, always set the log equal to x, rewrite it as an exponential equation, and solve for x by matching the bases. Remember that fractions usually imply negative exponents and roots imply fractional exponents. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.